In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Peacock on Spectrum. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you can get Peacock on Spectrum by subscribing to their service separately, as Peacock is not included for free with Spectrum TV or internet. So I've jotted a few different ways how to get it. So to sign up for Peacock, so go to peacocktv.com and sign up for a Peacock free premium or premium plus plan. Peacock Premium is included for free with certain Spectrum internet or TV packages, so check your Spectrum account for eligibility. Download the Peacock app. So on your smart TV, streaming device, or your mobile, search for Peacock in the App Store. Download and install the app, and then on Spectrum Cable, go to App Selection section and select Peacock and log in. From there, we want to log into Peacock, so open the app and sign in using your Peacock account. If you qualify for free Peacock Premium through Spectrum, follow the activation instructions in your Spectrum account under special offers. Stream Peacock content. So once logged in, you can watch TV shows, movies, live sport, and more. And if you still need more help on this, you can also check Spectrum's website for promotions on Peacock and contact Spectrum support for help for eligibility or technical issues.